I'm Josh Behnke. I'm a sixth-generation farmer here just north of Dubuque and Durango. We have a cow-calf operation as well as corn, soybeans, and alfalfa. My dad runs the cow-calf operation, and I attended Iowa State in 2014 and graduated in 2018 with an agronomy degree and returned home to the farm. Acquired a seed selling business as well as started custom planting and getting into cover crops. Dad started the no-till. He started no-tilling probably in the early 2000s. He found it as a way to kind of manage his time a little wiser and to save on soil erosion. I kind of took it a step further when I moved home. We picked up on the practices, planted cereal rye behind soybeans for a couple of years. Tried that out. Now we've been experimenting with oats as well, and now additionally flying it on and getting even more benefits out of mixes and trying it from another angle there. We became more focused on soil testing and making sure we supplied not only enough for the crop but enough for the cover crop to also grow. P and K wise, basically we've tried to make sure we've got our levels up to adequate to slightly above adequate to make sure that as the cover crop grows and then has to decay, we still have available fertilizer. We actually haven't changed our nitrogen program in terms of pounds of units that we're putting out. We found that works best is that we move some of our units earlier into the season. We apply about a third of our nitrogen with the planter and then the other 2/3 at a side dress application. We found moving some of it earlier kind of helped get over some of maybe what the drag that could be there with cover crops. As farmers, we have 30, 40 shots, hopefully more of growing crops and juggling all the risks that are at play here and making a profit. Learning off of other people, we can really speed up that time of research, and that hopefully the growing pains become a little less with learning with other farmers. So one of the fallbacks to the cover crops with drilling them ourselves is we never got enough growth to utilize it in the fall. Now with the drone program, we're looking at next year possibly grazing a cover crop as well on the corn stalks. I've heard from Iowa State Extension cattle people that forage with corn stalks and a growing cover crop is a really great TMR for cattle and stock cows, and I think we might utilize that on our operation next year. Looking at a certain field and kind of being able to utilize fences that already exist on our operation, we feel pretty good about the acres we cover and that we're doing good for both the farmer and the county and the soil and water.